that time when I had almost went to jail for trying to avoid catching bed bugs? Yep, let's talk about it. So boom, family member had a birthday party and they had invited me, and of course I'm gonna go. The day before the party, I had contacted family member and was like, hey, can I bring my hoe back down there by your house? And I'm doing Uber, and the last time I had left something in my trunk, folks went up in there and grabbed all types of chips out of a 12-pack bag, and I was only left with 4. Be stealing this stuff and can I just basically just put my luggage at your house so that the other person, they got bed bugs over there. So family member was like, yeah, cool. As I'm on my way there, I get a text like, bro, why we just got done socking and bopping them? So I was like, damn, but I will admit that I did put a little pep in my step. So I made it there a little faster than what I usually would. I noticed that is some police officers about there, and I'm over there talking about some, yeah, this might not be a great idea. Spirit told me to go on over there, so I went on over there, and I was just minding my business, just so damn calm, because I'm kind of lost as to what? Turns out them folks, I guess, was really out there socking and bopping them, and I was like, damn, this is a lot. Like, who? This dude was on the phone with one of his family members, just yada, 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 so I'm just sitting up here like, Lord, I ain't come over here for this. I really didn't. Now I feel like I'm caught in a damn sticky trap. Still stayed, so I sat there and listened to that stuff as long as I could before I became highly agitated. I was like, this is too much. And then when I speak up and I say something, homeboy got super loud and obnoxious with me, and I'm telling him why you being all hostile with a woman? It's a man in front of you, regardless if he got a badge or not, but go do that energy with him. And people won't sit up here and huff and puff, and then the other person on the other end of the phone talking about who is that, and then he oh, that's her cousin. So, now I'm being called irrelevant. I'm like, oh, Lord Jesus, help me, because I'm about to go to the vehicle of mine and I'm about to go read the Bible, because I ain't signed up for none of this today. I go to my vehicle and I'm like, damn, other people, parents know stuff. So I feel like, family member people can know stuff too. I called up family member mama and told her about what was going on. I'm talking about where she at. She talking about she already on her way. She walking. I'm like, girl, stop it. I'm about to come get you. I go get her and then I bring her back, and then I'm trying to figure out where I'm about to park my car at. But she hop out and I'm like, ooh, it's not clicking to me in my mind yet of what's really going on. I don't know how I be this lost in the sauce, y'all. I really do not know. It's dangerous for me to go outside, honey, because woo. I park the vehicle and then I go walk on over there, and then it's a whole bunch of chaos going on. Next thing you know, somebody on the phone talking about is you about to pull up? I go to my vehicle because my daughter called me. We're talking to her, and then next thing you know, I got my seat leaned back and I'm just, I'm on the phone talking to my daughter, and this car pull up real fast and then stop in front of my vehicle and look, and I get to reaching, and then they pull off and park over there. When they hopped out the car, I was looking and I was like, damn. Homegirl got a bonnet on, she got a hoodie on, she got joggers on, she got Crocs, and they in the sports mode. Bro, they definitely came over here to sock and bop them. I'm like, damn, what's going on? They hop out the car, but then they face looked so ugh. But when they hopped out the car, the actions did not match the face, because they got out the car real friendly-ish. So I was like, well, they can't be here to sock and bop them. I ended up getting off the phone with daughter, and then I went over there by family member, because I was like, well, family member do got a whole bunch of family members. Maybe there's some of the family members that I haven't met yet. So let me go on over there and figure out who is who. So during this time frame, another car pull up and some more people get out the car. Same thing, was looking real mad, but then get there and then they talking real friendly, talking about how you been? Until this person seen me. I know Milwaukee is Jurassic Park, but honey, let me tell you, I met a damn dinosaur. The lady walked up to me, mugging me, talking about who you is. I said, oh, I'm cousin. She talking about okay, what's your name? I was like, Anylah. And then she's like, oh, I heard about you. And I'm sitting here in my mind damn, why homegirl all high sound like this? So I told her, I said, well, I hope you heard good things about me. She talking about In my mind, I'm thinking, well, damn, I don't think homegirl rocking with me. My phone rang and I gotta take the call, because this is a very, very, very important business call that I need to pick up. So I pick up and I go walk back over there by my car, because I'm on the phone discussing business. I hear my background get real chaotic and shit. So I'm like, oh, let me call you back. Tell me that I should go grab my girlfriend. So girlfriend wanted to go. So I'm like, okay, girlfriend, cool. So I go walk on over there to the car. And at this point, I see that family member mama is like, just get in the car. Cause she crying, her eyes red. And she telling her like, hey, I can't breathe. Like it's getting hard to breathe. Like I'm too old for this. Like get in the car. Like, oh, let me help. So I'm like, oh girl, just get in the car, like, so we could de-escalate the situation. But somehow, some way, the damn dinosaur lady had to come over there and come start messing with me. I am the wrong person to mess with in a situation like that, because I know that you are like really about that anger life, and I'm not. I'm more about the positive. I see the best in stuff. I laugh at stuff that should not be laughed at, especially a heated argument like this supposedly was. Let me tell y'all what happened. So y'all know how I get down, like when some crazy stuff is going on, I get to talking to myself and I will laugh out loud, like at myself. I'm thinking like, damn, this shit is so crazy. Like, how did I walk into this? The damn dinosaur lady, she talking about some, what you laughing at? I was like, the whole situation. She was like, you need to wipe that smile off your face before I smack it over there. And I was like, do it. She was like, what'd you say? I said, do it. She said, repeat yourself. I said, do it. And then I started laughing, and then she started coming up on me. Woo, I'm so thankful that family member people came in between us, because let me tell you something. Girlfriend was ready to go with one up top, and I ain't finna do too much. I didn't come over here for that. How the hell you gonna have smoke with me, but you can't have smoke with the person who all in your face calling you out? You want to go mess with the silent person. Woo, Lord, when I tell you that I was going to send her to you, I am not lying. She was going to have front row tickets. I promise you. She really was. And whoever else might have wanted to run, because I didn't come here for this. I'm not talking to nobody. I'm not saying nothing to nobody. I'm just sitting there minding my business. Up calming down or whatever. But I find it very crazy how this same individual said that I was irrelevant, but you the same person to jump off the porch and go try to stop the damn dinosaur lady from, you know what I'm saying, coming at me. But I thought I was irrelevant. I can't be that damn irrelevant. And y'all believe all this happened to me just because I was trying to avoid getting bed bugs. That was it. I ain't want to catch no bed bugs, and this is what happened. I can't be in a jail. The jail is not for me. I would have got out for self-defense, but still, it's like, I didn't come over here for this. Now, I think I got enemies now. I guess at this point, I guess, what y'all think?